The song's called Make It Up To Me, and it's about the same boy who's gone now. Thank fuck for that. Not gonna lie, if only tonight I did it come to this. Seems very unlikely I'd give it a miss. Oh, his voice is hard to resist. It lays me down while I hang around until he has enough of me. Making no sound, he leaves for a kiss. Like it's so done or finished. I'm stuck in this loop. Oh, we stars in this one-man show. Like it makes no difference at all, at all. You strain my soul. I dream of paradise. Midnight I close my eyes. Hope he falls in love tomorrow, tomorrow. Maybe in defeat, allowed your eyes to color me, and all those restless stains that I can wash away, I can wash you away. Oh, I'm stuck in this loop. I'm stuck in this one-man show. Like it makes no difference at all, at all. You strain my soul. I dream of paradise. Every night I close my eyes. Hope he falls in love tomorrow, tomorrow. So I cried real fire, and I watched the reels pull myself through the deep and looking for some sympathy. Now you say all the right ways when I'm down on my knees, baby, my pride. When it's all gone, baby, will you make it up to me? Now will you make it up to me? I'm not gonna lie, if only tonight. Seems very unlikely I'd give it meals. Oh,